My name is Anderson, and this is my robot arm circuit. So we would start by hitting this reset switch. As you can see, these are the position LEDs, and it puts us at the midpoint. And if we're not in state 0, it will put us in state 0. So what we would do is we would move the motor using that switch on the PCB to move the motor, and it will produce phase and quadrature signals, which we pass through some synchronizers, some edge detectors, and finally some logic to produce an up and down signals so that we can increment or decrement the counter depending on what direction the motor is moving. And then we would press action to record 4 positions, and then we would go into a playback state where we would move the motor back to the positions that we recorded. So, for example, let's say I want to move the motor here. As you can see, the position LEDs are changing, and record that. Then, we want to move it back here. Record that position. And up here, as you can see, I have these LEDs indicating what address we're at. So currently, this is bit B and this is bit A, so we're currently at address 10. Then we record that, and we're now at address 11, which is the last address. And we move the motor here. So as I press action for this last time, we'll go from state 0 to state 1, which is the playback state, and we'll move to the first position. So it goes to that first position. As you can see, the address bits are now both 0, 0 because we want to move to the position that recorded in the 0th address. Then we go and press action again to move to the next position. Action again to move to the next position. Then we press action one last time to move to the last position that we recorded. As you can see, the position LEDs change. And also this LED is on, saying that we're in the playback state. And if we press action one more time after this, then we just go to the first record position. We loop. So the reason I made it so that we have to press action in between going to the record positions is because for design day, the 3 of us had to coordinate our circuits so that they would move together. So what we would do is that we would wait for the stepper motors to reach their position, then press action on them so that they can move to the next position together.